I'll get shot in a minute, guys, so please be patient with me. Oh, there's a fire truck. Good. I got it. What side are we going on?
Probably
backside?
Yeah, we could go backside. That looks like that's where everyone else is headed. There's another fire truck coming right now.
Section 5-1C, establishing government command, all incoming units. Two-story large commercial structure. Nothing showing from two sides.
Back half.
Command will be on tack 2 investigating. We're going to access from the Delta door.
He's pleased with his way.
Yeah, he is. I'm gonna race it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. I don't see anything around the building yet, guys. We literally got here right when the fire department was getting here, though. That's crazy.
Let's go by this fire department right here.
This what?
So let's go by the fire department over here.
Alright.
We'll probably park over here on the
Gonna be over here on this part?
probably right over here.
Okay. Ah, crap, I hate that.
See where the heck these guys are going.
Position 5. Give me a lead, back.
Alright, so we're gonna go, I'm gonna hop out. I'm gonna go to the front door where they're evacuating at.
Okay. Do you want me to drive
You can
closer?
park if you want.
Want me to drive closer so you can walk as far?
If you want to.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
People throwing mortars on the ground. And lighting fireworks off in the auto neon 5th Street.
Okay, do you want to hop out here?
Park over here.
Okay. No, I'll just hop out. Want the tripod?
Up to you, park maybe.
Okay. Oops, sorry.
We're 360 right now.
Guys, they're evacuating the building right now.
Guys, if you could have me do a left for the Derby Club bathroom, make sure all patrons are out for me.
I guess we're gonna jump over this side of the thing real quick.
We have one of each sectors.
Alright guys, so if you guys are upside down, I'll check you in a minute. Hey, topless. Sorry guys. By the top of the list, if you're watching my stream, can you grab my phone on floorboard and bring it to me? So guys, I can't see chat right now, so please be patient with me because I don't have the my phone with me. Cheyenne PD's on scene. Ladder 1. So far, there's no fire, guys. again, guys, I'll look at the footage thing in a minute. I'm hoping that you guys aren't upside down. Hello.
I need some help here. I rented a truck today and the lights are not on. Can you help me put them on?
I can't. I'm working right now. I wish I could.
Well, maybe I could put some. I don't want to drive like that. They'll pick me up.
Alright, sorry.
Upstairs where their HVAC units are. Nothing obvious. I believe we can put the engines loose. Just use the ladder stay right now.
So they just cut the engines, guys, and they're gonna literally the ladder one's gonna be staying on the scene.
You can close.
There we go.
Thank you.
Dealing with that. I don't know. I really don't know any more for certain than anyone else.
So they just sent the all the other engines are leaving except for ladder one and the one on this side.
Okay. Do you want the tripod?
Probably.
Jesus, this thing's cold. She's asking what's going on. It's like, oh no.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of all these casinos either.
I can't say I am either. If it makes people have fun, guess why not?
Copy that. Dispatch 2, copy direct. Confirm, I'll show you back in. Status 2.
So we're gonna go in a minute. We're gonna go by the fire truck over here.
Oh, there went my phone. I gotta get this.
Is that noticeable?
Yeah.
Somebody over there isn't.
Can you show 155 available? 154 option, please.
Well, there's your thumbnail shot, ladder 1, or ladder 2 on me.
How you guys doing? This is ladder 1, guys.
Right, ladder 2 on it. Ladder 2.
That was 2, ladder 2?
Yep.
Oh, that's ladder 2. Sorry, guys. Ladder 1's on the other side of town. We're gonna see it up right here.
Works with me. So I wonder what caused the smoke inside. Did someone...
So far, I haven't heard nothing yet.
I know. No fire. That's a good thing. That means maybe the bowling alley will still come.
Possibly. I'm just kidding. Let's get you guys on the mount. Damn, it's cold out here. And this over here, the Derby Club, guys. Hold on, guys. Sorry guys, I'm trying to. So we got 7 minutes left on the camera itself. So it might go black screen in a minute, guys, but we'll possibly be back in the vehicle by the time it dies on us. But we are here at a structure fire. As of right now, there's no flames, no more smoke. They're just doing some investigating. Cheyenne PD is heading off scene. Thank you for your service.
Go ahead.
You guys find anything? You guys find anything?
I'll let you talk to the boss man though if you want to know why. Alright, perfect. Sometimes they frown upon me saying things. You're good. You can talk to the boss.
Thanks for your service though. Frown upon me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go talk to Chief real quick, but I'm not gonna bring the camera close. I'm just gonna set it right here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna talk to him after the other guy gets away. Alright guys, I'm gonna see if I can talk to the chief and see. Alright guys, my phone's at 5%. I'm not phone, my videos, camera's at 5, so it might actually cut off the video. I will let you guys know as soon as I get back. So please be patient, and I will get back to you. Get it turned on back on ASAP. I'm just trying not to bug them.
Yep, I get it.
So this is literally at 5%. I mean 4 more minutes.
Okay.
Do you want to run it back and get my battery, or did you? So do you know what it's at, right?
It's like the backpack, right?
The bag. It's like literally right in the big part.
Yep.
You'll see it's the big one. Perfect. Thank you, man. Alright guys, three more minutes. It says on my camera that it's gonna be the video is gonna be on for the battery. So please be patient with me, guys, and we will get it turned back on as soon as the Toddless gets back over here with the stuff. I'm gonna go see if I can get some more details from the chief, and I'll be right back, guys. As soon as these guys walk away.
I have a data burst when you're ready.
Copy, stand by.
Maybe. Give me a minute, guys.
We're just free. So walk on wheels there.
So guys, as of right now, they are possibly leaving, letting everybody stay in there.
On a black Mustang.
Because they're people's playing slots right now, so. So it's gonna be completely back up in business in a minute. See you guys, look at this. Where they at? Oh, where did the guy go? He was playing slots. There he is. There he is. Whoa. I got 1 minute, guys. It might go black, and that means my camera died on me. So I will turn it back on as soon as I get my battery from Metropolis. But I'm gonna go here in a minute, guys. Alright guys, so update guys, so it was no fire, it was the HVAC unit. So the HVAC unit was causing a little bit of smoke, but there was no fire, there was nothing like that, but there was just the HVAC unit, that's all it was.